Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the construction going on the Southern Coastal Highway. This is going to be a drone view of how far the highway has reached. Now this section that we're looking at is by 11 miles in Bull Bay, St. Thomas. And that's a new bridge that was recently built, and the highway is being built out in phases. So the phase one is from the Yallow's Bridge, or from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge. And that section is 87% complete. So what we're looking at is a part of the 87% complete section. And this section of the highway from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge is scheduled to open in April 2023. So that's next month, because we're in March. So within the next 40 days, this section of the highway should be open. Now, the highway is going from Harborview to Portland, going through St. Thomas. So it's broken out into sections. And this section is actually from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge. And this is a section that will be opened shortly. So let's go through this section. The highway is going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway. As you can see, it's 4 lanes. This section we're looking at now hasn't been paved. Actually, it looks more like a landslide. But it's going to be 4 lanes, dual carriageway, all the way from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge. Now, between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway. So the roadway is being upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes and making it highway quality roads. Now, from where we are, 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park, a new road has been built going over the hill. And that is actually what we're looking at now. The bridge at the beginning of the video was built, and that is where the highway is going to take a new alignment going over the hill. As you can see, it's 4 lanes, dual carriageway. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway. So the existing road is going to be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And then from Albion Heights to what's the name of that? Grandspend. It's going to go over the hill again, taking a new alignment. And then from Grandspend to the Harborview Bridge, it runs along the existing roadway. So that is why you heard recently that persons in Grandspend were complaining that they don't have any traffic going through the area, because the highway does not run through Grandspend. It goes over the hill, bypassing Grandspend. But there's a turn off from the highway to Grandspend. However, there is no through road. So if you turn off and go to Grandspend, you're going to have to turn back around and get back on the highway. The main road was used, basically incorporated into the alignments of the highway. So Grandspend is suffering some economic fallout because they no longer have the traffic on the main road going through that area. And we can say this side of the island has never seen roads of this quality before. This is a game changer for this side of the island. Game changer. You can get from Kingston to St. Thomas in 10 minutes. Between 10 and 20 minutes. It's unbelievable. And you don't have to drive on those bad roads anymore. You're now driving on highway quality roads. So we'll keep you guys updated as this road progresses, and we'll keep you updated as to the April 1 opening of the highway. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.